Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the object-oriented programming and see some examples using Python. So what does object-oriented means? Object-oriented programming is based on the concept of objects. In object-oriented programming, objects are defined each with its own properties or attributes, and additionally each object can also contain its own methods. Let's see what that means in code. To define a class in Python, we can use the class special keyword and then the name of the class using capital case letters. Next, we have to define an init method, which will instantiate this object and pass the parameters that we want, or the attributes. In this case, we want the car to have make, model, and the fuel level. And this is how we can save these attributes in this object. Next, we can define a method. And in this case, we have some logic to print a different message based on the fuel level that our car will have. Next, let's create two cars. The first one is a Ford F-150 with a fuel level of 0. And on this line, we trying to drive the car. And the next, the second car is a Dodge Ram with a fuel level of 10. And again, we are trying to drive the car. Let's run and see what it returns. So the first car, it says fuel level is 0, car cannot start. And the second one says starting car, fuel level is 10. So what I wanted to showcase here is that although our class didn't have any code changes, and we created these two cars using the exact same way, these two objects are behaving differently. What that means is that a car object has its own state. So the first car has a different state than the second car, and our method returns a different result because each object has its own state. That's the most fundamental thing of object-oriented programming that you have to understand, that each object holds its own state, and the methods can have a different result based on the attributes and the state of each object. Thanks for watching. In the next one, I'll discuss some other object-oriented concepts such as inheritance, polymorphism, abstractions, things like that. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. See ya.